Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ShardeMarie if you are new here, and from the title of the video, I am finally doing my April BoxyCharm unboxing, and I have a gripe to pick with BoxyCharm when it comes to their shipping, because they take your money on the first of the month and you're supposed to get it 15 days after. For some reason lately I've been getting my boxes way later than 15 days, so I need BoxyCharm to get that shit together. So you guys probably already know what everybody got in their BoxyCharm and probably don't give two shits about this video, but I am keeping up with my BoxyCharm unboxings each month. I'm not new to this, I am true to this, and I am loyal. So we are doing this anyway. And if you still want to watch this video and see what I got in my BoxyCharm, because I know everybody got something different, then continue to keep watching. Okay guys, so let's hop into this unboxing. So the theme of the box for the month of April was sweet treats. So because April is Easter, so you know you get a lot of candy and stuff at Easter, so that is the theme of the box. And I already looked inside, so I know what I needed to do. And the reason why I don't have my face on is because we do have a primer. Now this is the add-on choice that I picked for my box. So I got the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. It is silicone free and has a cooling effect. What is it supposed to do? So silicone free primer that smooths skin texture, gives you silky and fine-tuned finish. A fresh sorbet-like texture, smoothly glides with hydration and an instant cool down effect. So it doesn't say anything about pores or anything like that, so it's just supposed to soothe your face. And this probably will be the item that I will bring with me to Miami, because Miami is a hot place. So yeah, so it looks like this. I know you guys are probably already seen it, so it does have that sorbet looking type of feel. This is my first ever Touch and Soul product, and this product retails for $32. So let's test this out. It smells really good. Okay, so this is the primer on. Like I said, I feel the cooling effect, especially up in here, like near my eyes. Like I said, it doesn't say anything about minimizing pores or whatever. So yeah, but I still like the packaging, and I like the cooling effect of this primer. And this most likely will probably replace my Ulta Beauty Cool Down Primer that I brought like a few months ago. I think it's not doing what it used to do anymore, so I'm pretty excited to continue to keep using this. Next in the box, before I put on my face, there is a color corrector in here, if I can find it. And here we go. So this is from Dragon Beauty. It is their Dragon Fire color corrector in the color green. Now truthfully, this is not something I will ever use. I do color correct, but I use an orange or a peach undertone. I don't use a green. I feel like a green is really meant for people who are way lighter than me, and this retails for $25. So I'm just going to pass this along to maybe my little sister, because she is super lighter than me, and this will probably help her more than it will help me. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera, and then we'll continue on to what's in the rest of the box. Okay, so face is on. Did something slight, nothing crazy. So yeah, let's hop right back in. So I'm not going to be using this product, but I did get a pair of tweezers. This is from Mana Kadar Beauty. It's a two-piece tweezer. You get the slanted kind, and then you get like the really small like little small head kind, which is perfect for me only because I only have one pair of tweezers because my other ones that I usually use for my eyelashes were thrown away when I went to the club one day. So I just needed some more tweezers because I use the other one sometimes for my lashes, sometimes to pluck my wig. So now I have another one that I could use specifically just for eyelashes, maybe this one to help pluck wigs, and I have my other one I can help pluck wigs. So I'm excited for this, and this retails for $18. And we have 2 more items left in the box, and then we will be done. So this is actually a BoxyCharm exclusive from Natasha Denona in the Ayana palette. And I don't know if everybody's came in like this, but mine came like this in the batch packaging. Like I didn't even get the cute ass packaging, but whatever. So this card is supposed to be 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades, and it got muted browns with a touch of a metal green. So this is the color story. So this is a nice color story, and it gives you that one pop of green back here, and on the back of the box it does tell you the names of it, and also tell you the names right here in the back too. So yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm going to do. This is my first time ever having anything by Natasha Denona, and I know Natasha Denona is one of those very high-end brands. Like her palettes usually run around $120 something for the big palette, and I know she started making small ones with a $60 plus price, and then she got these little small ones that run for like $25 to $40. You know, it's expensive. But this exclusive eyeshadow palette from BoxyCharm runs for $48. So yeah, I'm going to do a little look, and you'll just see what I come up with. Okay, so this is what I came up with. I used all 5 of the colors. So the first one, which I believe is called Harlow, that one threw me for a loop because I thought it was a lighter tone brown in here, but it turned out to be more of a gray tone, so I don't know what in the world that was about. And then obviously this one, which is called Crease, must be good for the crease, I'm not sure. It's I put it in a crease, and I mean, I just used it to blend in with the Harlow shade. I used the dark brown called Lash Line underneath of my lash line, and then I used the Glam Green, that's the name of it, obviously all over the lid, and then for the inner corners, I used Satin Skin. So my favorites out of this palette is obviously the shimmers, just because they definitely give you that pop, and they're very pigmented. I feel like they work better with your hands than with a brush, but it is what that is on that. And the last thing in the box before I finish this eye off, we're going to try this eyeliner from Aurora. Is in the color Espresso, and it is supposed to be a water-based, alcohol-free, paraben-free, and perfume-free duo tip eyeliner, and this retails for $11.99, which is not bad. So this is the tip, of the eyeliner. So it is in a brown, which I feel like will go perfectly with what we got going on here. So let's try this out. Let me bring my thing closer. Ooh, I like this. This is probably my favorite thing out of the whole box is this eyeliner pen. I need to look this up to see if they got it in other colors. But you can see it's like a beautiful dark brown. It just glided on so beautiful. It matches the eye perfectly. I love this. So I'm going to finish this eye off camera, put on a lip, and then we can talk about the box this month. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. So this is a full face. I don't have on any lashes. I just have on the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and I think I got that in my last BoxyCharm, and I talked about how I wasn't a huge fan of it, but the more I use it, the more that I really enjoy it. And even though this look is very dramatic, I still feel like my natural lashes still gives it what it needs to give with this look. Of course it would look better with lashes on, but I ain't have time and I just didn't want to put them on. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Let's round this video up. Let's wrap it up. So how do I feel about this month's box? This is not my favorite. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I really think they dropped the ball on the April box, well, the base box at least, because that's what I have. I have the base box. I feel like they dropped the ball on the base box. It's nothing very that stands out to me. Like, my favorite thing out of the whole box was this eyeliner from Aurora, and this is $11.99. And that's just crazy to me. I'm used to having at least a skincare product in my box each month, because that's what I've been getting since January, even though we're only in April. But it was lackluster. I really didn't like it. So let's run this down. Let's run it down. So the Touch and Soul primer, I have to keep using it. Like I said, I do like the cooling effect of the primer. I don't know what exactly is it supposed to do besides the cooling effect. I don't know if it's supposed to keep your makeup on all day or what the case is. Like I said, this is my first product ever from Touch and Soul. I don't go and buy, you know, stuff from that product and from that brand on an everyday basis. So I have to see how this goes, and if I enjoy the primer, then maybe it'll be a new brand coming onto the channel. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, with the tweezers, I'm excited to have these just because I needed some more tweezers. So it's good to have more than to have none. You already know how I feel about this. You already know how I feel about the Dragon Beauty. It's not for me because it's not, I really don't think green correctors are meant for my skin tone. I really think it's meant for people with a lighter skin tone, so like my sister. So I'm going to just pass it on over to her. And last but not least, the eyeshadow palette from Natasha Denona. I enjoyed the shadows that were pigmented. I really liked the shimmers, which was Glam Green and Satin Skin. I really enjoyed the shimmers in here. I'm going to keep it. I don't have any cool, I'll have one. I have one cool tone palette in my collection. I don't really have any cool tone palettes, and plus I got something from Natasha Denona basically for the free. Okay, so shit. I'm just going to keep it. So let's see how much everything costs. So this month box was $134.99 value, and you get this box for $25 plus taxes. So yeah, do I think the BoxyCharm is worth it? Absolutely. Do I think this box was worth it? Absolutely not. I think they sucked at it this month. So hopefully next month is much better. And FYI, just to give you an update on March box, I think is when I got the Frank Body Glow Mask for the face. I love that thing. When I am done, I am going to get it. The very first day that I used it that night, I instantly saw my skin looking way more hydrated than it has in the past. And it's just, I love it. I freaking love it. So I definitely suggest getting that that glow mask from Frank Body. I love it, and now I want to try more things from it. So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Okay, we're on the road to 1,000 subbies, so help your girl out. Share, like, comment, all that good jazz. Do all of that. And yeah, you guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.